Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to fix Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V not working in Windows 11. Make that your keyboard is operating properly. Make sure there are no hardware issues before attempting any software-related remedies. Examine the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V keys, try cleaning the keys, or use a different keyboard. If the issue is still not resolved, try the other solution listed below. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Click the power icon. Select Restart. Press Win+X or right-click on Windows icon and select Device Manager option. Click on the keyboards and expand it. Right-click your keyboard option and click on Update Driver option. Click on Search automatically for drivers option. Press Win+I shortcut key to open settings. Select Windows Update on the top right. Click Check for updates and follow prompts to install available Windows updates. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC shortcut key to open Task Manager. Locate the application which is causing problem under the Processes tab. Select it and click on End Task. Press Windows key and type CMD, right-click on CMD and choose Run as Administrator option. Right-click on the tile bar, click on Properties option. Now make sure that Enable Control Key Shortcuts is Enable. If not, then select that option. Click OK and exit. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.